Question number 24. Which quadratic equation has no real solutions? So the number of solutions to a quadratic equation in the form, so if we have a quadratic of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are constants, that can be determined by the value of the discriminant. The discriminant is b square minus 4ac. If the value of the discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac, is greater than 0, then the quadratic has two distinct real solutions. This will have two distinct real solutions. But if the value of the discriminant is equal to 0, if it's equal to 0, the quadratic has exactly one real solution. But what happens if the discriminant b square minus 4ac is less than 0? In this case, it has no real solutions. So in our question, we need that quadratic equation which has no real solution. We'll have to calculate b square minus 4ac for the a, b, c, d, all these four choices, and then compare the value of the discriminant, whether b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, is equal to 0 or less than 0. So if we find the one which is less than 0, that is our answer. So let's start with answer choice A first. So in A is equal to 1, B is equal to 40, C is equal to negative 49. So if we calculate B square minus 4AC, we will get 14 square minus 4 times 1 times negative 49. And if you simplify this, you will get 392. 392 we will greater than 0. So if it is greater than 0, you know that it will have two distinct real solutions. So answer choice A is not correct. Now what about answer choice B? For answer choice B, A is 1, B is negative 14 and C is 49. Now for this, b square minus 4ac will be equal to negative 14 the whole square minus 4 times 1 times 49. If you simplify this, this will be equal to 0. The value of the discriminant, when you simplify this, you will get 0. Now since the discriminant is equal to 0, that means it has exactly one real solution. So it cannot be B. Okay. Now we will check for answer choice C. So answer choice C, A is equal to 5, B is equal to negative 14 and C is equal to negative 49. And in this case, if you calculate B square minus 4AC, we will get negative 14 square minus 4 times 5 times negative 49. And when you simplify this, the value of the discriminant for this quadratic equation is 1176. So this is equal to 1176. Now 1176, as you know, is greater than 0. So if it is greater than 0, that means this quadratic has two real solutions. So answer choice C is also not correct. What we are left with is answer choice D, which is probably the correct answer, but we can check it. Okay. So for answer choice D, A is 5, B is negative 14 and C is 49. So what is the B square minus 4AC? Negative 14 squared minus 4 times 5 times 49. So when you simplify this, you will get negative 784. Negative 784 is less than 0. So this is the one which has no real solutions, because we know that if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, or in other words, the discriminant is less than 0, it has no real solution. So b square minus 4ac is less than 0, no real solution. So in answer choice D, when you calculate the discriminant, we got negative 784. Negative 784 is less than 0. So therefore, D is our answer. So here what you had to know mainly was about discriminant. When b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, what it means. When b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, what it means. And in our case, what was needed was b square minus 4ac is less than 0, because no real solutions is what is needed. So I hope that's clear.